The first point is extra point UE9. It is located slightly proximal to the margins of the webs between the fingers on the border of the red and white skin. These interdigital points are used to eliminate pathogenic factors, especially wind from this area, and are good in the treatment of eczema and arthritis. Next point is extra point LE2. It is in the center of the upper border of the patella. This is used as part of the patella triangle, and this is point for knee pain. Next point is LE5. It is located with the knee flexed. This pair of points is located inferior to the patella, medial and lateral to the patellar ligament. This includes the 2 points. LE5 includes the 2 points. This is the medial eye of the knee. The medial eye of the knee corresponds to extra point LE4, and the lateral eye of the knee to stomach 35. LE5, these are points which are used together in the knee with the point previously discussed, Hudung. They are excellent points for osteoarthritis of the knee and can also be used with hot needles or electrical stimulation. Next point is LE6. It is located on the gallbladder channel of the right leg, approximately 1 GB34. Palpate. To locate this point, we have to palpate for the most tender point. This point is a good diagnostic point for gallbladder problems if found to be tender. If the patient complains of upper right abdominal pain or upper abdominal bloating, this point could be used. It should be needled with even method in most cases, except in acute pain of the gallbladder, in which case it should be used with the sedation technique. Next point is LE7. It is located on the stomach channel of the right leg, the most tender point, approximately tutsun distal to stomach 36. And this point is the appendix point. Again, it is used both diagnostically and therapeutically. If acute pains and diarrhea, it could also be sedated. Next point is LE10, Bafeng. These are 8 points located on the dorsum of the foot, slightly proximal to the margins of the interdigital webs. These are wind elimination points of the feet used in arthritis, pruritus, and eczema as points to eliminate pathogenic wind. Because of the proximity to points such as liver 2 and stomach 44 and GB43, these are also used as the wind elimination points of these meridians.